how to add background image on Framer. So if you want to add a background image on Framer, then first you need to open up your Framer. Go with www.framer.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you can just simply go with start. And here you can go with a new project. Once you're under your project, now for example, I'll just simply go with insert, which is on the top left. And from here you can go with either pages, sections, or navigation, menus, or everything. So I'll just simply go with add a page, wait for a few seconds. And after adding the page, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with the image. If you want to add an image, then you can select that part where you would like to add the image, and here on the right side you will have the fill option. Under fill you will have image. Just click on image and then go with choose image, and you need to choose the image from your gallery and then go with open, and the image has been added. Now you can enlarge that image, and that's it. And in the same way, if you want to add the background image, then you can just double click on this background page and it will again take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with add image on your background, and the same way you'll be able to add your image. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.